So this is a quick video on how to make Ukwa porridge, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. This is a popular Igbo food. If you're from Igbo, you don't know about this food, you are not Igbo enough. We use this to hasten the cooking process. We call this ngo. You can use potash alternatively. Just soak it in water, let it rest, strain, and you're good to go. Once the ukwa is boiled, go ahead and add the filtered ngo. Like I said earlier, this hastening the cooking process, your ukwa should be ready in 30-45 minutes. If it is not, you can add more. So I'm going to be using this dried fish, a seasoning cube, and some scotch bonnet peppers. Once your ukwa is properly cooked, you can actually serve it this way. The way it looks, this is just perfect. A lot of people eat ukwa like this, no salt, no pepper, nothing, just plain white boiled ukwa. I love it. I'm going to remove more water, then turn what is left into porridge. So go ahead and add the washed dried catfish. Add your pepper, palm oil, add salt, add a seasoning cube, and that is all. Once this is properly cooked and the water a little bit dried down, I decided to add some more oil, then stir. Once you stir properly and combined, you have your porridge ukwa. Everybody loves this in Igbo land. Like, you're not Igbo enough if you've not tasted this before. I decided to add these leaves just for decoration. Once you stir properly, let it simmer on low heat for 2 minutes and you have it. Please don't forget to subscribe.